So today, I am going to explain about the APIs testing in JMeter. So mainly JMeter, we use for performance and load testing with the maximum users and minimum users. JMeter is a free, open source tool available to everyone without any cost. We can do a wide range of testing. And we can test websites, APIs, and databases. It is very easy to use, easy to detail the reports, and budget friendly. How to send multiple batch requests in JMeter. So in this way, now we will see about the batch request. In the same way, add a sample HTTPs request. Here, add HTTPs. We will see the batch request. So this is the body. The batch request means we are updating something, right? Something we are updating for the existing ID. Paste it here. So here I am giving Shilpa. Take the ID, URL, endpoint, everything here. Make sure this should not be an error. Erase it and paste it in the path. I will name it a batch request. We have to get it right. Summary report. Total of 60 users. 20. Now, batch request. View results tree. Something has gone wrong here. Now, batch request. Here I have given the wrong thing right. That is why it has not been executed. So this is how we have to debug this one. Now clear everything. Yes. Now we will see the result tree. First, we will see the summary report. 60 users. Nothing we got. This is the minimum time and maximum time. Go to the view result tree and result table, total 60 requests we got. Delete request. Same here, HTTPs. And search for the delete request here. So this is the delete request. We should not give here anything. And cut it. And paste. So since this is a delete request. Post request. We have to do post and batch requests. We have to do batch. Where is batch here? Do we have a batch? Yes, we have. So clear everything. Delete request and click on the play button. So now we have to get entire 80 users. So 80 users we have to get. Get request 20 users. Post request 20 users. Batch request 20 users. Delete request 20 users. So now view result tree in table. We will go with the batch request updated at. So this is the response from the backend team they are giving. So that's why we got this. So result table. So how many times? 80 threads it has been executed. So what is the samples? 20 samples, 30 samples, 30. Testing 100 users' data at a time. Now slowly we will increase the count. 100 users. Loop count is 1 time is enough. Now clear everything. Just for example, I am clearing. If you want, you can put it the same thing. No worries. So now click here for the 100 users how it is executed. It has stopped. 100, 100, 100, 3, 4. Requests are there, that's why 400 threads. So we will see in a table how it has executed. Yes. Everything. Latency. Everything we got here.